This is Pat Lee, and you're listening to Math World. Now, here's the question. Can you guess how the human hand, the petal of certain kinds of flowers, and even some famous painting could be related mathematically? Well, if you have no idea, our question of the day from listener Lucy Warwick in Rose Island will help you. Mr. Warwick asks, I heard a lot about the Fibonacci sequence lately. What exactly is it? For an answer, we contacted Professor of Mathematics Dr. James Quitt. Hello, Dr. Quitt. Can you tell us a little about the Fibonacci sequence to answer Mr. Warwick's question? Well, that's a great question, especially since the sequence arises so many forms and many people have no idea about it. It's a really very striking one, you're aware of it. First, what a sequence is a series of numbers, and in a sequence, each number is sum of preceding two numbers. In other words, you add two numbers together to get the next one. Let's look at the start of it. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So if we add the first two numbers, 1 and 1, you get 2, which is the third number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3, which is the fourth number. Then 2 and 3 equal 5, which is the fifth number, and so it continues. So let's see. Each number is sum of the previous two numbers, and the sequence can just go on and on. Yes, that's right. And what's so amazing about it is the sequence show up around so many ways as appear in natural world. Natural form tend to reproduce a sequence. For example, flowers, pine cones, or seashells. Look at the petals on flower. There are more likely to be 5 petals than 4. The spiral in the seashells also involve numbers from the sequence. It was not as easy to see with flowers, but the measurement of spirals are number of the sequence. Some people even mention the human hand when talking about sequence. We have 2 hands, each of them has 5 fingers, and each finger has 3 parts separated by 2 knuckles. All these are a number of the sequence. Maybe it's just coincidence or maybe not. And it's not just in natural world, it's also in the art world. It's appear a lot of art, probably the most famous work of Leonardo da Vinci. You see a lot of spiral in his painting, and spirals are the forms most associated with Fibonacci sequence. It's also appear in music. One of the back piece is based on this sequence. In the way, the musical pattern repeats. Now, it's not clear whether this is constantly or not. Interesting. Who discovered all of this? It was discovered by a mathematician in Italy in the early 1200s. His name was Leonardo of Pisa, but he called himself Fibonacci because his father's name was Bonacci. Anyway, he was a extraordinary mathematician. He actually introduced the decimal system to other mathematicians of the time. So, mathematicians have known about the sequence for a long time? Yes, now your listener said that she heard a lot of lately about Fibonacci sequence. It seems like interest in the area kind of comes and go in popularities. Lately it has been more popular. I think it's great. It's fascinating. And if it gets people's interest in math and numbers, then all the better. It's fascinating. Thank you so much, Dr. Quitt. You're welcome.